Very interesting news. Samsung has officially launched their soundbar, their top of the line soundbar, the Q950A. I announced this around CES last 2 months. It's now official. This soundbar is pretty much stacked. It's an 11.1.4 solution. It is crazy, crazy stacked. You're getting a very good, kind of like overall very good build and features of on this particular Q950A. It supports Dolby Atmos DTS technology. It's also going to be able to pass through 4K files. That's if you're trying to use that as a transport. Uh, it's really nice. The subwoofer is powerful. Subwoofer has an inbuilt microphone that has a space EQ to fine tune the bass response. You also have the benefit from the Q Symphony technology that is embedded on soundbar to work in conjunction with the Samsung displays, and it's really nice. It's also supporting AirPlay to high-res audio playback. It's expensive, but I believe it is worth it. I believe it is worth it. I believe it's worth it. Price is £1,600. It's around $1,600. It's not cheap by any means. It's certainly on the like very expensive soundbar price tag, but I don't feel it's too bad considering if you really want to start building a very small Atmos system, you will certainly spend a lot more than that to get all the tech you need, from wire to amplifier to speakers and all that. You certainly need more and you will spend more. So I think this is good enough for most people. I don't think it's bad overall. Price is on the expensive side, but I think it's understandable considering what it offers, an 11.1.4 solution. Okay, so that is it. When it's official that is going on sale, I'll be sure to bring it to you guys. It's definitely going on sale very soon. Do subscribe to our channel, do like our content, follow social media. I'm going to see you guys next time.